Hi, my name is Jeff, and I'm a maker. I'm also a volunteer. I volunteer here at the National Museum of Toys and Miniatures. It was here that I got inspired for this week's project. They had a vintage game system, Atari 2600 in display case, something from my own childhood. So I'm going to use that as the inspiration for this week's project. I'm going to design and 3D print fridge magnets with an Atari 2600 theme. So let's get started. I took some close-up photos for reference. Not that I needed it. We played this game so much as kids that I think it's going to be permanently imprinted on my brain. Using Tinkercad and its built-in library of geometric shapes, I built up a joystick. Copy that. And for the game cartridges, simple rectangles. For the game console, I used the library of geometric shapes again to build up the shape. I choose to design the objects not to scale, but rather to size them for function. I download the file from Tinkercad into the 3D printer software. I slice it and export the G-code for 3D printing. I load the file onto the 3D printer, available for free at our community library's makerspace. And the print job is complete. Pry the print from the print bed. I clean up the prints using a small file, a hobby knife, and a stiff brush. Then I give it a quick spray with primer. I did an image search on Google, found some art for the cartridges, printed them on a color printer, then cut them out. Brush on a thin layer of glue. Then carefully press on the game cartridge art. Make sure everything is aligned. I paint the 3D prints with acrylic craft paint. A hairdryer speeds up the dry time between coats. Once the black base coat is dry, I add the details using more acrylic craft paint. I picked up a pack of magnetic strips from the craft store. I line them up and cut them to size. The magnetic strips are self-adhesive, but I'm going to actually use epoxy to glue them on permanently. I use dry brushing techniques to highlight the details and to give it an aged look. I think I'll end the painting here. I'm happy with the result. Finally, clear coat will protect the painted surface. So this brings another project to an end. I really like how these Atari 2600 fridge magnets turned out. If you like this project, check out my other fridge magnet video on my YouTube channel. And to see all my video projects, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested to see what currently is on my workbench and what's coming up, check out my blog. My name is Jeff, and I'm a maker. See you next time.